When it comes to boiling water, choosing the right electric kettle can make all the difference in your daily routine. With so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and end up with a kettle that doesn't suit your needs, whether that's speed, safety, or even design. In this video, we're diving into a comparison of the top 5 electric kettles of 2026, highlighting their unique features, strengths, and what sets them apart from each other. Stick around, because our top pick might surprise you with its exceptional value and performance. Elite Gourmet EKT 1001 Electric, 1.0 liters, BPA-Free, 1100W glass, kettle cordless 360 degrees base, stylish blue LED interior, handy auto shut-off function, quickly boil water for tea, and more. The Elite Gourmet EKT 1001 is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting an aesthetically pleasing kettle that doesn't skimp on performance. With a sleek glass body and a stylish blue LED interior, this kettle not only looks great on any countertop, but is also designed for simplicity and efficiency. It features a 1100W heating element that quickly brings water to a boil, making it perfect for your evening tea or instant coffee. The cordless design allows for easy pouring and serving, while the 360-degree base ensures that you can place it down from any angle. One of its standout features is the handy auto shut-off function, which provides peace of mind when busy in the kitchen. However, it's worth noting that the glass body, while elegant, can be prone to scratches if not handled carefully. Overall, the Elite Gourmet is a reliable kettle for those who appreciate both style and functionality. Cosori electric kettle, plastic-free interior, easy to clean, automatic shutoff and boil dry protection. Stainless steel tea kettle, hot water boiler and heater. 1.7 liters, 150W. The Cosori electric kettle is an excellent choice for health-conscious consumers who prioritize a plastic-free interior. With a 1.7-liter capacity and a powerful 150W heating element, this kettle offers a quick boil time perfect for busy mornings or last-minute guests. One of its strongest features is its ease of cleaning, thanks to a wide mouth design that allows for easy access. The automatic shutoff and boil dry protection are invaluable safety features, ensuring that the kettle won't run dry and potentially cause damage. This kettle is especially suited for families or avid tea drinkers who require larger volumes of hot water. However, while the stainless steel design is robust, it can become quite hot during operation, so caution is advised when handling. Overall, the Cosori electric kettle combines practicality with superior safety features, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Cosori electric gooseneck kettle with 5 temperature control presets, pour-over kettle for coffee and tea, hot water boiler, 100% stainless steel inner lid, and bottom, 1200W, 0.8 liters. For coffee enthusiasts and tea connoisseurs alike, the Cosori electric gooseneck kettle is a game changer. This kettle features 5 precise temperature control presets, allowing you to tailor the water temperature to your specific beverage needs, whether for green tea or pour-over coffee. The 1200W heating element ensures that water reaches the desired temperature quickly, while the gooseneck spout provides excellent control for pouring, making it ideal for brewing methods that require precision. With a 0.8-liter capacity, it's perfect for individuals or small households. While this kettle excels in its specialized design for brewing, it may not be the best option for those who need to boil larger quantities of water. Overall, the Cosori gooseneck kettle is perfect for those who take their brewing seriously and demand accuracy in every cup. Cuisinart, PerfecTemp, 1.7-liter electric kettle, cordless electric tea kettle, 1500W for fast heat up, 6 preset temperatures, 30-minute keep warm, stay cool non-slip handle, CPK, 17P1. The Cuisinart PerfecTemp is a top-of-the-line electric kettle that caters to the needs of the discerning tea lover. With a generous 1.7-liter capacity and a powerful 1500W heating element, it heats water rapidly, perfect for when time is of the essence. This kettle boasts 6 preset temperature settings, allowing you to achieve the ideal water temperature for a variety of teas. The 30-minute keep warm function is particularly useful as it ensures your water stays at the perfect temperature for longer, making it great for multiple servings. The Stay Cool non-slip handle adds an extra layer of safety, making pouring effortless. While it's packed with features, the Cuisinart PerfecTemp is on the pricier side, which may not fit everyone's budget. Nevertheless, for those who take their tea seriously, this kettle offers unparalleled precision and performance. Cosori Electric Kettle, no plastic contact with water, wide mouth for easy cleaning, auto shut-off, 1.7 liters tea kettle and hot water boiler, water heater and teapot, borosilicate glass, black, 1500. Taking the top spot is the Cosori Electric Kettle, which combines functionality with a design that prioritizes health and safety. Made with borosilicate glass, this kettle ensures no plastic comes into contact with the water, making it perfect for health-conscious individuals. With a 1.7-liter capacity and a powerful 150W heating element, it boils water quickly, making it ideal for tea, instant noodles, or even baby formula. The wide-mouth design allows for easy cleaning, eliminating any concerns about hard-to-reach spots. An automatic shutoff feature provides peace of mind, ensuring safety during use. This kettle's sleek design and premium materials make it not only a practical choice but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. However, the glass construction means careful handling is necessary to avoid breaks. Overall, the Cosori Electric Kettle stands out as the best option for its superb design, effective performance, and commitment to health safety. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the top electric kettles of 2026. Each kettle has unique features catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize speed, precision, or health-conscious materials, there's an option here for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy boiling!